Hi there, today we're exploring the labebe Wood Puppet Theater, a fantastic playset for kids ages 3 and up. This 2-in-1 tabletop puppet stage features a reversible design with a flannel curtain on one side and a chalkboard on the other. Children can enjoy putting on puppet shows or use the chalkboard to create their own stories and drawings. The wooden frame is sturdy and easy to set up, making it perfect for both imaginative play and learning. Its compact size fits conveniently on any table, encouraging creative play anytime. With this versatile theater, kids can develop storytelling skills, hand-eye coordination, and confidence. Bring endless fun and creativity into your home with the labebe Wood Puppet Theater. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.